Welcome to your third and final activity for this project. For activity 3, you're going to create a customized news feed using the web tool Feedly. What's handy about Feedly is that it syncs with your Google account. We're going to use your Google account to log in, which you already have through school, and it allows you to organize websites, or in this case blogs, that you want to read on a weekly basis so that they're all in one place. So the first thing you're going to do is go to feedly.com. I have that up here in the URL, and I'm going to click Login. It's going to prompt me to log in with Google or Facebook, so I'm going to log in with my school Google account. I'm going to select the correct account. And now you'll see that I'm logged in to my Feedly account. Now on the left-hand side, this is where all the content is that you organize in your Feedly. You'll see I already have a few groups and I have a few vlogs that I'm already following. What you'll see on yours when you create this new account is that all of this will be blank. You'll have the menu down here where it says recently read and below, but you won't have these groups. So now that I have my Feedly account set up, I can click down here at the bottom and it will allow me to organize. So I can create collections, and that's what these are, where it says PLC and then Ask a Librarian. PLC is the name of the collection, and below that are the blogs that fit in that collection. So your collection will be Geologically Active Research Project, or something similar, so that you know that the collection you're creating in your Feedly account is associated with the project that we're working on right now, and you're then going to add things into that collection. So first, I'm going to show you how to add content to your new Feedly account. On the left-hand side, you're going to click Add Content, and you can search by title, by web address, or by hashtag. An easy way to create your collection for this project is to go back to the Padlet wall from the very first activity in this project. Because the assignment requirement, according to our class website, is that you need to follow 2 classmates who are blogging about a different geologic region than you are, and 2 experts out in the field who are blogging about the same geologic region that you're researching. You can go out and find those and then paste the URLs in. So to get the blogs of your classmates sorted into your Feedly, all you would need to do would be to go back to our classroom Padlet wall, where we linked our blogs in activity 2, and you can open up the blogs of the students you want to follow. You'll see you have the URL up here. I'm going to copy that, go back to my Feedly, and I'm going to paste it in. I'm going to click enter, and it pulls up my blog. This actually pulled up my Padlet wall because that was the link that I posted. But all you would need to do is then click the plus sign to add it to your reading list. So let me try that one more time so you can see the way that it actually works. So I've got my blog here. I'm going to open up my blog itself so that I'm no longer in my Padlet wall. And I'm going to copy paste that URL. So I believe it was icelandgeology.blogspot. I think that was the name of my URL. And I'm going to then go back in and I'm going to paste it in my Feedly. When I click add it to my reading list, it'll confirm the URL and which collection I want to put it in. So it's going to have its own collection for now. I'm going to click add, but then I can go back in and create a new collection to sort it in. So you're going to follow the directions in this video to create your Feedly account, part 1, and then to use that Feedly account to follow 2 classmates' blogs who are posting on geologically active regions that are different than your own. So my sample was Iceland. I can't subscribe to and follow anyone else that's posting about Iceland. But in addition to my 2 classmates, I need to subscribe and follow 2 blogs posted by experts out in the field who are posting on the same geologic region that I am. So the idea here is that at different parts of this project, we're not only producers of content and information as we were in activity 2, where we created our blog and we set up our weekly blog schedule, but we're also consumers of information and we're learning from people beyond our classroom, which is why when you set up your Feedly, you have to follow at least 2 experts who are posting on your field. In addition to creating your Feedly account and subscribing to the 4 blogs, you're going to be required to post to your peers' blogs a minimum of 2 times per week. You'll see more details on that on the class website. Thank you for watching.